Next question relates to unsaturation in an organic compound. There are two tests for unsaturation. Bayer solution will get decolorized by the unsaturated compound, and also bromine water. Bromine water is slightly orange or red in color. The red solution or orange colored solution will get decolorized by the given compound. So either bromine water is decolorized or Bayer's reagent is decolorized. The question asked is about the bromine water. Four choices have been given there: phenol, cinnamic acid, cyclohexene, and paracrosol. First of all, we should know the structures of these four compounds. Phenol is the structure of phenol is C6H5OH. This, on the addition of bromine water, this will get decolorized, but this is not due to unsaturation. It is not generally asked. It is simply the question asked is bromine water is decolorized by. So bromine water is decolorized by phenol, because phenol undergoes electrophilic substitution. Therefore, bromine water will be taken up forming tribromophenol, 2,4,6-tribromophenol. Therefore, this will get decolorized. So this is correct. Then look at cinnamic acid. What is cinnamic acid? Cinnamic acid is an aromatic unsaturated acid. This aromatic unsaturated acid contains an unsaturation in the side chain. Therefore, this will also take up bromine. It will decolorize bromine water. So B is also correct. Then come to cyclohexene. This is not due to unsaturation. This is due to electrophilic substitution. This is due to unsaturation because we have got a carbon-carbon double bond. Now they go to the third compound, which is cyclohexene. Cyclohexene undergoes decolorization. It will decolorize bromine water because it will take a bromine forming 1,2-dibromocyclohexane. Therefore, cyclohexene will also decolorize bromine water. Then paracrosol. What is paracrosol? Paracrosol is actually a phenol with the methyl group in the para position. Or 4-methyl phenol is known as paracrosol. This will also undergo electrophilic substitution. So this will also decolorize. So the answer for this, all the four will decolorize bromine water. It is not one choice. It is a multi-choice, multi-option, multiple choice question, wherein A, B, C, D, all the four compounds will decolorize bromine water. Only difference is the cinnamic acid and cyclohexene will decolorize bromine water due to unsaturation, whereas this phenol and paracrosol will decolorize bromine water due to aromatic electrophilic substitution. So what is entering is a bromine plus. The bromine will be entering, tribromophenol will be obtained. Here in paracrosol, since the para position is blocked, the two ortho positions will be occupied with the bromine, and therefore this will get dis-bromo substituted paracrosol. Tribromo substituted phenol will be obtained. So this is due to electrophilic substitution. The other two due to unsaturation, carbon-carbon double bond, and here also in cyclohexene, carbon-carbon double bond. So all the four options are correct. Bromine water will get decolorized.